Monday video meditation. The earth, described with language and letters as a planet, observed from outer space and seen from the land now to be going around the sun, to have a moon, have always inspired me. It made me go, ah. From when I was little and could see the stars in Arizona, and now when I see pictures and videos of the sky, I appreciate and respect now. There's already limits in place. Not only here now, up in the universe, galaxy, outer space, for how far a person can travel and survive now, how long a person can live with the food they take there now. And in Seattle and Australia, New Zealand, and Tibet, China, Russia, North Korea, South Korea, Canada, Mexico, Hawaii. There's a stimulus, consciousness, words and letters describing these examples differently. Hearing, seeing, animals, creatures, mythical monsters, Sasquatch and Loch Ness Monster, repeating noises and confusing audio, scary movies and science fiction books, oceans and valleys and monuments and states and countries, and science, providing the novelty for the repetitiveness of the limits inherent now. Eventually, the entire Amazon rainforest and everywhere else gets discovered, analyzed, and the data and information get collected into knowledge, new drugs, new medicines. And once the whole process ends, the mystery goes away now. Time makes a hand movement appear mathematically 4 seconds long and forms an equation: A plus B equals body. Science eventually has similar problems and are forced to acknowledge the limits of what they'll find now. Hypothetically and theoretically in the future, knowing outer space as well as planet Earth now in the solar system. Talking about dimensions better than algebra now. Advanced so far people no longer choose to talk, who no longer look to observe, who appreciate the novelty from the person next door, the repetitiveness from the researcher talking about some data collected from some information sent back from deep space. Choosing a habit like smoking cigarettes, deciding to be scared of the world and frightened and angry, smash stuff, break stuff, and cause distraction. Are a part of freedom. Saying there's freedom to eliminate a problem, but not for another person. To think out loud and speak. Slow down this process of eventual consciousness explained. the discussion gets so far into thought, the thinking appears similar to floating in no gravity. These parts of the brain and the object itself never get to jump without any assistance. The body works with the brain to jump. The mind stimulates the body, imaginatively never landing. The two are a system with parts and processes working together towards goals, aspirations, dreams. And gathering energy to feed, to eat, to nourish, for strength and power to do this work now. When there's no more to learn and only work to do for food and love and satisfaction, the world has less sound, less confusion, less disarray. And success. Accomplishing nirvana. Peace and joy and bliss and happiness now. The end.